Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial for SolidBot, your automated trading assistant for Deriv. Today, I'll guide you through the full setup, the settings, and how to use the bot from start to finish. First, enter your Deriv API token. This securely connects the bot to your Deriv account. Once connected, your dashboard loads instantly. Here, you'll see your start balance, your current balance, your total profit or loss, and the amount earned from your last return trade. These numbers update live as the bot trades. Now let's set up your trading parameters. Start with the target profit. This is the amount you want the bot to earn before stopping automatically. Next, set your stop loss. This protects your account by stopping all trades once your loss limit is reached. Below that, you'll find the max usage or stake value. This is the amount used for each contract. You can adjust it based on your balance and risk level. Now choose your trade mode. SolidBot supports digit strategies such as digit under and digit over. Digit under means the last tick must be lower than the barrier, and digit over means it must be higher. Select the mode you want the bot to trade. Once all your settings look good, click Start Trade. SolidBot immediately connects to the Deriv server, analyzes live market ticks, and starts entering contracts automatically. Watch the activity log. Every contract purchased, every win, and every result appears here in real time. You can follow the entire trading process second by second. As trades close, your balance updates instantly. You'll see the outcome, the new total profit, and your progress toward the target. SolidBot is built to trade fast, follow your rules, and manage everything without hesitation. And now for the best part. Once your profit target is reached, SolidBot stops trading automatically. A clear message appears. Target achieved. Your profit goal has been reached. No manual intervention, no emotional decisions, just clean and consistent automation. This is how to use SolidBot. Simple to set up, easy to control, and powerful for automated trading on Deriv. To start using SolidBot today, visit binarybot.live/solid and begin your automated trading experience.